I'm going to demonstrate how to do oblique burners. Here's how you get started. You're going to step your feet wide, heels in, toes out, in a plie position. And then you're going to lower your tailbone down and sink into that plie. You want to make sure that your torso is upright. So imagine yourself with your back against a wall. So you aren't leaning forward. You've got that back against the wall, and send those knees over the toes. And believe me, this position right here, in and of itself, is a challenge. Now you're going to take those hands up behind your head. Inhale and exhale. Keep those abs really nice and connected. And you're going to go to one side and reach for the back of your calf, all the way down there. Just like you're against a sheet of glass or your back is against a wall, and come back up. Over to the other side, reaching for the mid-calf if you can. Sink it a little bit lower. Inhale and exhale. Get low into that plie. Now, if this is a little bit too challenging, just reach for the knee to begin. And believe me, over time, the deeper you go, the more you're going to feel in those oblique waist muscles.